Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell when you'll be notified of any new money making videos, money making systems and strategies that I do. I normally do 2 or 3 videos a week. Right, let's get right into this one. And this one is how we can make money online just doing general search, like searching through search engines. It's quite unusual this, 'cause there's a lady I know, and I was having a conversation with this lady, and she basically helps people find cheap flights and holidays, that type of thing, um, for other people, and she receives a tip, just like a little bit of a tip for her time. So, like many people who don't have the time or inclination to spend time searching for the best deals, this lady will do it for you, because not everybody enjoys searching the net. So she enjoys searching it and looking for bargain prices and special deals for flights and holidays. I suppose it's a bit of a hobby, something like that. But she said to me, "Wouldn't it be great, Mark, if I could surf the net and actually get paid?" Well, I told her the good news is you can do exactly that, and the job is called a search engine evaluator. And you see that the world is constantly changing, and the search engines have to keep pace to ensure the searcher gets very accurate search results, and search results that reflects exactly what you're looking for. The last thing they want us to show is a list of websites that have no connection to your search, so you would go elsewhere to do your search, and that is the last thing they want. We're just on there. Let's just go back to Google here. So if we type in anagram into Google, and it thinks, "Did you mean Nagaram?" And Nagaram, obviously rearrange the letters, is anagram. So it's basically a bit of an error. That obviously we don't mean to look for Nagaram, we're looking for anagram. Type the same thing into Bing, and Bing seems to know, which is Microsoft, seems to know exactly what we're looking for. Anagram, everything about anagrams. Just basically rearranging letters to make a different word. And that is basically an error from Google. Another thing is, let's just suggest that I lived in Pelham in Brent, which is north of London in the UK, and I was interested in horse riding, and I was looking to buy a black horse. So I might type in black horse for sale, Pelham, and there you go. But there's nothing about actual horses that you can ride on here. All it's showing me is a pub for sale in Pelham called the Black Horse. Or they're all basically showing the exact same thing. A pub in Pelham which is for sale, a pub called the Black Horse. So these search results really are not what I was looking for at all. So there's an error. So these people, they will pay people to evaluate search results and paid advertising listings to ensure the searcher gets the best possible experience. And we'll come back to this search engine again and again. And that's the key, isn't it? The world is constantly changing. Like new pop groups are coming along, new celebrities, and they want to show them exactly what people are searching for. So let's have a look for these search engine evaluator jobs on Google. Let's see what comes up. So there you go. We're in the UK, English speaking, search engine evaluators. And they partner with the world's most innovative companies, improving the relevance of search engines, like I just explained to you. They want the absolute best search results for anybody looking. Let's see what they're looking for. So you can see what the role involves. Basically, you're looking for looking at ads evaluation, search evaluation, text, image, and video, audio queries, just to make sure they are accurate. I presume they will give you a list of search words to search, And generally these normally about 20 hours. What's this role? There you go, 20 hours a week. And your requirements: fluency in English, and you'll have to pass an online evaluation. Make sure you're up to scratch with what they require. And they would prefer experience of search engine, but if you pass that test, I wouldn't have thought there'd be a problem really. And you must be, they'd like you to be up to date, familiar with current and business, media, sport, news, etc., etc. But if you're generally searching the internet constantly anyway, that shouldn't be an issue. And obviously the laptop, a computer, and a sound internet connection. Let's just have a look if we can find out what they actually pay. So you get about an average of 20 hours a week. And how much does a search engine evaluator make? So there you go, up to probably about $17 an hour. I've seen jobs from probably about $11 an hour. The search engine evaluator jobs. We'll just have a look for your country. Some of them don't seem to mind really where you are. Last door. Search engine marketing. Let's just see some of these jobs up here. This is UK, and here's one basically with Appen, and you can be anywhere with that one, basically, which depends where you are in the UK. But let's have a look. Search engine evaluate jobs. You can probably go into USA, see if there's USA jobs. 41,204. Zip Recruiter. So just have a look for your own country, but there is work available, and this is constantly ongoing. So just have a look at that. At like $11 to $17 an hour, 20 hours a week. If you can spare 20 hours a week and you enjoy searching the internet, then why not get paid to do something that you actually enjoy? So that's it for today. Just a really quick one today. It was just that lady that got me thinking about this, who basically looked for cheap flights and holidays for people, and she gets paid a tip, so she could basically do this quite easily. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, click notification bell. You'll be notified of new videos, money making videos. If you have an interest in affiliate marketing, as I do, I've been doing about affiliate marketing for over 20 years now, and I focus on high ticket affiliate marketing. I prefer to earn the $1,000 plus commissions instead of the $25 or $15. If that's of interest to you, promoting high ticket affiliate marketing offers, then I've done a free course, which you'll find in the description below. About 90 minutes long, 4 videos. You're very welcome to sign up for that. Completely free, 100% free. So you can learn how basically you can make $1,000 commissions plus, and I mean plus. I've made a lot more than that in one day, trust me. But if that's of interest to you, the link is in the description below. So that's it for today. Thank you again for your time, as always, and I will see you very soon with the next money making video. Take care of yourself. Speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.